Welcome to another edition of Ask an Appy. I'm Abhinav Girdhar, founder of Appy Pie. Today's question comes from Jamie from California, United States. And she is a student in one of the schools there, and she wonders if she could use Appy Pie to create an app for her school. Yes, Jamie, with Appy Pie, you can certainly create an app for your school. And we have had multiple other students or professors who have leveraged Appy Pie's platform to create an app for their school. So we have multiple features for you to showcase your school. In terms of the features, I would recommend you to use About Us page where you can talk about the school. You could also use the photo gallery where you can take multiple pictures of your school, including the laboratories and the basketball fields, and you can also place it in there. And I would also recommend you to use the Contact Us feature where you can also mention the address of your school. So if anyone wishes to get turn-by-turn directions to the school, they could actually use that feature. And also you could use a Contact Us form so people can send inquiries to the school. You could also use the text pages. In the text pages, you can talk about the academics that your school offers. You can talk about the admission process. You can also talk about the timings of your school. So you could leverage the text pages that we have. We have got about 80 odd features in Appy Pie that you could use depending upon your use case. If you like this edition, then do share it on social media channels and do remember to subscribe to our channel.